Hey guys, this is Matt. There's Nate right there, but he don't like seeing his face. But I just want to do a collection of my Airsoft collection type thing. We have more, by the way. Hang on, let me get this one. Okay. We got an M28 Echo 1 sniper rifle. Got for about $230 with a scope and a bipod, which is right there. Which I am getting an adapter for my G36C KWA Airsoft. Shoots around 400 FPS or 300, somewhere around there. Some shotgun shells. Charger for my G36. My Airsoft pistol from Walmart. Duct taped it and it's fucked up all the way. Then we got something from a local airsoft shop right here. That 2 gram BBs, 20 gram BBs, and my shotgun that I bought for $60 from a garage sale. Then for my gear, I got 2 clips of G36C airsoft guns. Nate can get it done like that. That holds a lot. That holds about 48 rounds. That holds about as long as I get. But that I got for about $169. And maybe tomorrow I might get a skip. I don't know. Just what I get. Then I got CO2 and things right here. And that's my camo. Multi-cam camo.